Hello beautiful people, welcome to this episode of NaijaFoodTube. I'll be sharing with you how I prepare one of my favorite meals, yam, fish gravy and egg omelette. This meal is a meal I like preparing for breakfast or if I don't want to eat heavy at night. For this meal, I'll need yam, sliced, peeled and washed, some fresh eggs, some smoked fish, you can substitute with sardine, some fresh tomatoes, green bell pepper, some scotch bonnet, onions, vegetable oil, seasoning cube of your choice, some salt to taste. To begin this recipe, I'll salt and boil my yam in the pot for like 30 to 35 minutes or till tender and set aside. For my fish gravy, I'll pour some vegetable oil into a hot pan and allow to heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll introduce my nicely sliced onions and allow to fry for a few minutes. Then add the blended pepper and sliced tomatoes. Then allow to cook for about 15 minutes. I'll add my seasoning cube and some salt to taste. I will also add my green bell pepper and stir lightly. I'll add my roasted fish and allow to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And there you go, our fish gravy is ready. I like the fact that it's not too thick. Over to you, Lex.
Alright Kenny, thank you. For the egg omelette, I'll crack 2 eggs into a glass bowl. Add my diced onions and some scotch bonnet. I'll whisk together thoroughly and add a pinch of salt. I'll set aside. In my preheated fry pan, I'll pour some vegetable oil, not too much, just enough to grease the pan. I'll introduce the remaining green bell pepper and about 3 slices of tomatoes. I'll season it a bit and allow it to caramelize. Then I'll immediately add my egg mix. On low heat, allow the egg to fry. Be careful not to stir because it may lead to a total scramble of the egg, and we don't want that. At this point, I'll be creating a fold from my egg omelette just for beauty, and there you go.
Kindly give us a thumbs up by clicking the button below, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and bye for now.